Welcome to History's Hiccups. 193 AD, Rome faced a wild year, the Year of the Five Emperors. It kicked off with Emperor Commodus's assassination. His successor, Pertinax, lasted only 86 days before the Praetorian Guard killed him. Then the Guard auctioned the empire, won by Didius Julianus. But his rule was short as three generals, Severus, Niger, and Albinus, each claimed the throne, igniting a civil war. Severus outsmarted all, first taking Rome, then defeating Niger and Albinus to emerge as the sole ruler. A year marked by chaos and ambition, showing the extreme lengths for power in Rome